Hey guys, we received this Lixan rolling backpack. So there are two sizes, 17 inches and 18 inch. So we are just showing you comparison between 17 and 18-inch sizes as well as how the bag looks and how this feel. So the design wise they both are same, and the size wise the main difference. There's a rolling wheel and the stopper, so you can easily make the stand, so no tip over. And with the size wise, the 18 inch is like 18.4 and 55 liter, where the 17 inch is 17.3 and hold up to 50 liter. So the zip you can see like you can hold, and this will becomes like a small carry-on luggage. You can put in all your clothes and stuff, so I will put in later on and show it to you. You can put in your laptop and all other things in here. So after the full size, this is like 21 inch for 18 and 19.7 inch for 17, and also have a different zipper compartment. This the front one is a 90 or the 180-degree open that you can use, and this one is to put in your small stuff. So you can put all your small things like pen, pencils, or your passport or any other thing with this hook, and also like different things in here. So it's very nice thing that you can use. You can put in your tablets and stuff. So they have kept in mind like a lot of things, especially for the travel, that you can put in your small stuff. So it have the strap buckle as well, or the metal zipper. So small things like to keep the keys and stuff. And in the back, so you can also use this backpack with the straps if you want to. And so there are multiple ways you can take this bag with you. So they have the straps, they have the wheel, so that you can use, or the carry handle on the top. So this have the reflector strips as well. So it's good like in the dark. And there are the hooks in the bottom that you can attach in your strap. So now this is all attached, and you can put in the stuff in here. So as I mentioned, they have the wheels or the durable handle as well as this straps, so you can use it. And you can, if you don't want to use the strap, you can just take this out and put it inside the bag and store it well. So it's like a hidden strap thing. So this is a nice breathable design, as you can see the mesh in the back. So that is good. And also you can put like all different things in here. So this is the handle, and this is a telescopic handle that you can use to take this bag anywhere. So let me put in some stuff and show it to you. So now the total size, as I mentioned, is here. There is no tip over when you take this bag on the wheel, as I just take it for the ride, so I don't see like it is tipping over anywhere. And this is straight design. And also you can carry on different surfaces. The same thing with the 18 one. So these two bags are almost similar in all other things like this, but the difference is in the size and their capacity. But the zip wise, handle wise, everything is all same. Wheel wise and things are same. So this is how the difference in the size with these two bags, as I shown in the corner. And also like you can see like while you take this bag anywhere, there is no tipping and no wheel issue. So I don't feel any thing like it is not rotating or going well with the wheels, or it is tipping over or moving here and there. There is no disbalance and is easy to take or carry. So my overall or the last impression, there's lot of compartments for the different storage, or like the main compartment or the different compartments. And also they have a hidden shoulder strap, so that is good. Two side pocket for your bottles and everything. Front zipper pocket for your small electronic stuff. And then as I said, the carry-on one, the main compartment is also like 180 or the 90-degree open angle. So these have all these features and nice reflector strap as well. With the pocket wise also, there's a lot of things you can store like mobile and stuff in here, and then other things on the other side. So very nice bag overall. And I showed the both sizes to you, 17-inch in the starting and 18-inch on the side. And then you can just take and use it anywhere. So refractor handles, straps, so I'm just showing you the other way. So this is how this look, well with on the strap, or it's on the side with the handle. So both handles like the same height, and also have this 90 or 180-degree open storage. So carry on with the strap is also very comfortable, no issues while taking it here and then putting it here. So overall nice bags.